CalTest Electronics CT4043 is a high-current assembly for your power supply, load, or battery analyzer test connections. On each end of the lead assembly, there are heavy-duty spade connectors with 8mm openings to lock tight onto your binding posts or terminals. As these leads are capable of carrying up to 60 amps through their 2-meter length, your need for high-current carrying capacity is now answered. A flame-retardant mesh sleeve keeps the black and red leads bound together, eliminating snags and tangles when deploying the leads. On both sides of the mesh sleeve, there are 10 centimeters of unbound black and red wire, giving you freedom from even the most awkward connector spacing. No stiff cable here. The CT4043 is made of highly flexible silicone-jacketed lead wires. The conductors are 19 strands of copper wire, contributing to the very flexible and supple feel over the entire length. With its high quality and durable construction, the CT4043 will provide many years of active usage. For more information, see our website at caltestelectronics.com.